Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study at night. First, establish a consistent study schedule, perhaps from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., ensuring it aligns with your energy levels. Pinpoint your peak concentration times. For many, this is shortly after dinner. Before you even sit down, collect all your textbooks, notes, and stationery. This preparation saves valuable time and minimizes distractions, setting you up for a focused and productive evening study session. Next, optimize your study environment. Select a quiet spot, perhaps a dedicated corner of your room, ensuring it's well lit to prevent eye strain. A clean, organized desk helps maintain focus, so clear away any unnecessary items. Keep a glass of water and a light, healthy snack, like an apple, within arm's reach to stay hydrated and energized without needing to interrupt your flow. Now, let's talk about effective study methods. Divide your study material into smaller, 20 to 30-minute chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Employ active recall by quizzing yourself or using flashcards to solidify information in your memory. Remember to incorporate short breaks, about 5 to 10 minutes, after every 45 to 60 minutes of study. This helps prevent burnout and keeps your mind fresh for continued learning. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as rest is crucial for memory consolidation. Try to avoid caffeine and large meals at least 2 to 3 hours before you plan to sleep. Incorporating light physical activity, like a 20-minute walk earlier in the day, can also improve your sleep quality and overall energy levels for your night studies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.